Halo guys, welcome back to this channel Berani Belajar, kalian harus berani. Masuk kita ke unit 22, lanjutan dari unit 21 mengenai will and shall. Jadi ini kita bahas will and shall do, oke? Kita masuk langsung aja ke bagian A. Kita pahami dulu bahwasanya kita nggak menggunakan will untuk mengatakan pada seseorang yang sudah has already arranged and decided to do, yang udah merancang atau memutuskan sesuatu. Misalnya, Lisa is working next week, not Lisa will work, karena si working next week itu udah terarrange gitu ya. Kemudian, are you going to watch TV this evening, not will you watch, karena kita berbicara decided sama arrange gitu ya. Lebih lengkapnya lihat di unit 19 sampai 20 gitu. Kemudian we use will to say. Udah malam ya guys, capek juga. We use will to say what we know or believe about the future. Apa yang kita ketahui dan apa yang kita percaya dengan masa depan. Not what some has already decided, tapi tidak seseorang yang telah putuskan. Contohnya, Kate has her driving test next week. Kate has her driving test next week. Chris and Joe are talking about it. Oke, jadi mereka bicarain si Kate ya tentang driving test yang akan dilaksanakan minggu depan. Kemudian ditanya sama si Chris, do you think Kate will pass? Apakah kamu pikir si Kate itu lulus? Katanya akan lulus. Nah, ini ya karena kata know dan believe. Nah, jadi kita tambah jawab si Joe, yes, she's a good driver, she'll pass easily. Dia pengemudi yang sangat dia pengemudi yang baik, dia akan lulus dengan mudah, kata si Joe. Si Joe percaya bahwasanya si Kate itu akan lulus, will pass the driving test. Maka dia sebenarnya predicting the future, dia memprediksi masa depan. When we predict a future happening or situation, we use will or won't. Jadi itu ya. Jadi will or will not, akan terjadi atau tidak akan gitu ya. Misalnya dia aja bisa dibilang, she's a bad driver, she won't pass. Nah, bisa aja karena itu dia prediksinya gitu ya. Kemudian kita akan lihat contoh lebih banyak untuk memahami hal ini. They've been away a long time. When they return, they'll find a lot of changes here. Mereka pergi sudah sangat lama. Ketika mereka kembali, mereka akan menemukan a lot of changes here. Menemukan banyak perubahan di sini. Dan itu kan menurut dia, dan dia memprediksi ketika kembali akan melihat banyak perubahan. Boleh. Where will you be this time next year? Where will you be this time next year? I'll be in Japan. Oke. Boleh ya. That plate is hot. If you touch it, you'll burn yourself. Kamu akan kayak burn itu kayak membakar tanganmu gitu kan. Nah, Aina looks completely different now. You won't recognize her. You will not recognize her. When will you get your exam results? Kapan kamu dapat hasil ujiannya? Oke. Maka akan kita bandingkan dulu ya. Kita compare nih. I think James is going to the party on Friday. Nah, aku berpikir he has already decided to go. Dia udah memutuskan untuk pergi. Tapi I think James will go to the party on Friday. I think he will decide to go. Masih ini memutuskan will decide ya. Tapi belum already gitu. Kemudian yang bagian B ini kita sering menggunakan will atau nanti I'll, yang kayak gini dia singkat dengan probably I'm sure, I think, I don't think, I think sama I don't think kan udah tadi ya kita bahas juga sering di sebelumnya juga kepake. Tapi probably, I'm sure, I wonder ini baru ya. Misalnya I'll probably be home late tonight. Aku kemungkinan akan sampai rumah telat gitu malam ini. Kemudian don't worry about the exam. I'm sure you'll pass. Jangan khawatir lah tentang ujian itu, aku yakin kau lulus gitu kan. Do you think Sarah will like the present we bought her? Apakah kamu pikir si Sarah suka sama kado yang kita bawakan untuknya? Oke. I don't think the exam will be very difficult. Aku kira ujiannya nggak akan sangat sulit gitu. Kemudian I wonder what will happen. Aku bertanya-tanya apa yang akan terjadi. Maka itu kita pakai biasa will gitu ya. After I hope. Nah, kalau I hope biasa pakai present gitu. I hope Kate passes the driving test, or I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow gitu. Jadi kalau berharap biasa kita pakai present gitu ya. Kemudian yang C, generally we use will to talk about the future, but sometimes we use will to talk about now. Biasanya kan will about the future, tapi ada juga will to talk about now. Misalnya, don't phone Amy now. Jangan telepon si Amy sekarang. She'll be busy. Dia kemungkinan sibuk sekarang. Nah, memang she'll be busy itu kan kita bilang she will busy. Tapi kan kita bilang now. Berarti emang kemungkinan sekarang dia lagi sibuk gitu ya. Yang D. Normally we use shall only with I and we. You can say I shall or I will, or we shall or we will. Ingat ya, shall itu untuk si I dan we. Misalnya I shall be late this evening, or I will be late this evening. We shall probably go to French in June, or we will probably go to French in June. In spoken English, ketika berbicara bahasa Inggris, we normally use I'll sama will. Will probably go to French. Negatifnya bisa pakai shall or shall not. Negatif dari shall itu bisa shall not sama shan. Shall not atau shan. I shan't be here tomorrow, or I won't be. Kemudian nggak biasa kita menggunakan shall itu he, she, it, you, they. Jadi cuma untuk I dan we ya biasa kita pakai shall. Shall we be very angry, or she will be very angry ya. Jadi nggak bisa, jarang she shall, tapi she will ya. Will and shall 1 di unit 21, I'm going to unit 23. Kemudian will be doing and will have done unit 24, will have to unit 31. Udah itu dulu. Kemudian kita masuk ke exercise. Sorry ini buru-buru ya, udah malam soalnya guys. Kemudian kita letakkan ini atau ini, will or won't. Can you wait for me? I won't be long. Apakah kamu dapat menunggu? Aku nggak akan lama. There's no point. Ini aman ya. Aman. Nomor 2, there's no point in asking Amanda for advice. Nggak ada poinnya kamu menanyakan Amanda. She won't know how what to do. She won't. Kemudian I'm glad I'm meeting Emma tomorrow. It will be good. It will be good to see her again. Okay. I'm sorry about what happened yesterday. It won't happen again. You don't need to take an umbrella with you. I don't think it will rain. Kemudian I've got some incredible news. You won't believe it. Kamu gak akan percaya. Kemudian 22.2 complete the sentence will I'll ya. Just the from. Okay. Kita akan menyelesaikan kalimatnya menggunakan will. Kemudian akan kita pilih dari kotak ini memasukkan ke sini gitu. Contoh yang pertama, don't worry about your exam. I'm sure you'll pass. Okay, you'll pass. Why don't you try on this jacket? Kira-kira apa ya? Look ya pasti ya, kelihatan ya. Why don't you try on this jacket, you'll look nice on you. It will ya. It will apa namanya? It will look nice on you. Oke. You must meet Max sometime. Kamu harus bertemu Max sekali-sekali. I think sebentar. Kita next dulu. It's a very nice hotel. You'll stay there. Pasti enjoy ya. Berarti you'll enjoy. You will enjoy your stay there. Oke. Kemudian nomor 5, it's raining hard, don't go out. Pasti becek ya, apa ya? Becek. Pasti ini basah, becek bukan becek, basah. Berarti get ya, bisa you'll aja lah dulu bentar ya, aku pusing pula. You'll karena sambil menulis itu. You will get very wet. Betul ya. Kemudian nomor 6, do you think longer in the future? Do you think people live longer, berarti maksudnya ya. Do you think people will live longer in the future? Apakah kamu pikir orang-orang akan hidup lebih lama di masa depan? Nah, ada aja ya pertanyaannya. Bisa jadi sih, karena teknologi kali. Kok like sih? People live. Nah. Goodbye, I'm sure. Goodbye, I'm sure we will meet again before long. Okay. I've invited Anna to the party, but I don't think she will come. Okay. Kemudian, you can borrow Ami's umbrella. I don't think she'll mind. Gak keberatan gitu maksudnya. It takes me an hour to get to work at the moment. When the new road is finished, it will be much quick. It'll be much quicker. So it will be. Kemudian yang terakhir, you must meet Max sometime. I think you will like him. Menyukainya. Oke. 22.3. Write question using do you think will the following. Oke. I've bought the picture of Karen. Aku beli picture of Karen. Do you think she'll like it? Okay, the weather doesn't look very good. Do you think rain ya? It will rain. Kemudian, when do you, the meeting is still going on. End berarti, when do you think it will end? Okay. And kemudian my car needs to be repaired. How much cost ya berarti? How much do you think it will cost? Kemudian Sally and David are in love. Ini udah ya. Get married deh. Do you think they will get married? They will get married. Okay. Number 6. I'm going out now. Okay, what time? What time do you think? What time do you think you will be back? Okay. Number 7. The future situation is uncertain. Gak pasti. What do you think? It will happen. Gak pakai it, gak apa-apa ya. What do you think will happen? Nah, number 22.4. Where do you think you'll be at this time? Write sentence about yourself. Use I'll be or I'll probably be. I don't know where. Salah contoh. Next Monday evening at 7:45. I'll be probably at home. Okay. At 3 a.m. tomorrow. I'll be in bed. Masa gak kemana-mana kita kan jam 3 pagi. At 10:30 tomorrow morning, I'll probably be at home. Next Friday afternoon, I'll be at work. This time next year, I don't know where I'll be. Oke, ini agak jarang sih dipakai ya. Tapi untuk melatih kita pakai I'll be sama I probably be, I don't know where. Kemudian 22.5 kita menghapus ya yang salah. Lisa isn't free on Saturday, she's working. Okay. It was an amazing experience. I'll never forget it. Kemudian something very funny happen. Your wheel lagging when Okay. Kemudian I'll go or I'm going to party. I'm going. What do you think will win? What do you think will win is winning. Will win lah. I can meet you this evening. A friend of mine is coming. Don't be afraid of dog. It won't hurt you. What will happen? What happening berarti? Enggak. What's happening if I press this button? Tapi belum ya kan? What will lah berarti ya. Have you decided where to go for your holidays? Yes, we are going to Italy. Oke guys, gampang ya, easy. kali ini kita udah masuk 22 dari 145. Keep spirit guys, semangat semuanya, bye bye.